Let's learn with Boombalisa! Today we'll be in South Korea, visiting a palace with an amazing story. Come on, let's go! This palace was built in 1394. But guess what? About 200 years later, the palace was destroyed during the Japanese invasion, and it stayed destroyed for almost 300 years. But did the Koreans forget about their past? No, they did not. In 1867, the palace was reconstructed and has been under continuous rebuilding ever since. This reminds me of how we as Muslims should always be proud of our heritage. We should read about Muslim scholars like Ibn Haytham and Al-Farabi, who were part of the history of Islam. Just like how this palace was once destroyed and rebuilt, we can all bring back the glory to the Islamic Ummah with knowledge and hard work, even if it takes years.